Hey Datum-Tech squad, brace yourself, because what I'm about to show you looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. A factory, with no lights, no windows, and no humans on the floor, yet it's building millions of smartphones every single year. Welcome to Xiaomi's dark factory revolution, where artificial intelligence runs the show 24/7. Let's dive into how this factory of the future is reshaping global manufacturing, and what it means for our jobs, innovation, and the tech race ahead. So, what exactly is a dark factory? The term sounds ominous, but it's actually genius. It refers to a facility that operates completely autonomously, so it doesn't need lighting or human presence. At Xiaomi's dark factory in Changping, Beijing, every process, from welding and assembly to inspection, is handled by AI and robotics. And here's the wild part. This plant can produce 10 million smartphones every year, including the flagship Mix Fold and Mix Flip models. That's one fully built smartphone every 3 seconds, without a single human worker on the production floor. Everything is managed by Xiaomi's HyperIMP AI system, the brain that keeps the entire operation running with precision beyond human capability. Let's break it down. Imagine a digital nervous system made of sensors, cameras, and robotic arms, all powered by AI-driven vision and decision-making. HyperIMP doesn't just follow pre-programmed steps, it learns from production data in real time. If a camera detects a microscopic flaw in a phone casing, the system instantly corrects it, no supervisor needed. Machines communicate directly with each other, optimizing every second of the process. And because there are no people inside, the factory doesn't need lighting, air conditioning, or windows. That's right, this place literally operates in the dark. The result? Around 15 to 20% lower energy consumption compared to traditional plants. It's clean, efficient, and almost alien in how quietly it runs. But Xiaomi isn't alone. China installed over 290,000 industrial robots in 2022, making up more than half of all robots installed worldwide that year. That's a massive leap toward what many experts call the fourth industrial revolution, where AI and automation merge with manufacturing. Now, here's the twist. While efficiency skyrockets, human jobs in production lines are shrinking. In traditional plants, hundreds of workers assemble parts manually. In dark factories like this, humans are replaced by algorithms. So the question isn't, can AI build better phones? It's what happens to us when factories no longer need us. It's the same story playing out in logistics, agriculture, and even design. Automation isn't coming, it's already here. Still, Xiaomi's innovation can't be ignored. They've created a blueprint for sustainable, hyper-efficient production, one that's setting the pace for companies like Tesla, Foxconn, and Samsung. And while it might sound dystopian, dark factories could pave the way for smarter, safer, and cleaner industries, where humans design and machines deliver. But let's not forget, every revolution comes with consequences. Are we entering a world where humans supervise AI, or where AI supervises us? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this debate is just beginning. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and share it with someone who still thinks robots can't replace us. And if you're new here, hit subscribe, because on Datum-Tech, we don't just talk tech. We decode the future. Stay tuned.